Hi, my name is Rosie Gill. I'm the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is Milk Street at Home. Today, we're going to make a luxuriously creamy, spiced, aromatic soup that's gluten-free, vegan, and makes eating your vegetables a pleasure. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not, so just enjoy it. First, we're going to create both the creamy base and the crunchy topping at the same time. So you're going to take a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1.5 cups of sliced almonds, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite spice blend. I'm using harissa. I recommend any blend with a lot of turmeric or chili powder for the color. You're going to heat these together just until the oil bubbles. This is blooming spices, which will eke out as much flavor as possible from your spice blend. Once the oil bubbles, remove 1/2 cup of the spiced almonds. That's your crunchy topping. The rest is what's going to give this soup its amazing texture. Once you've removed the almonds, add in 1 medium onion or leek chopped and a 2.5 pound head of cauliflower that you've trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces. Don't add any salt yet. We want these vegetables to soften a little bit, but also brown a little, and salt will slow down the browning process. What we're doing is developing a flavorful base. That means that later we can use water and not stock to cook our soup. Once the vegetables are softened, then add 7 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now you want to cook the vegetables until they're completely softened. Then puree the soup in a blender in batches. Make sure you take off the center top part and cover your blender with a towel. This will prevent the steam from building up and potentially being dangerous later. Once your soup is completely smooth and pureed, return it to the pot and turn on the heat. The base now has the right texture. It has a lot of the fundamental flavors we want, but it's a little flat. Add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. This will perk things up, add the necessary acidity so the soup really sings. Now, it's eating time. Ladle your soup into some bowls, find those reserved spiced almonds, sprinkle them on top for a nice crunch, add a fresh herb of your choice. I'm using dill, but cilantro or parsley or basil or mint, any of them would work, and you're good to go. 6 ingredients and smart technique. That's all it took to make this soup.